lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace in case you're joining us for the first time, and thanks for tuning in once again if you're a return subscriber. So in today's video I'm going to be giving myself a challenge to do a 15-minute makeup video for office and for school. Like literally, normally I don't make up to school because I spend a whole lot of time doing brows alone. So I just said, okay, no more makeup because I go to school very early. So today I'm going to give myself a challenge to make up for 15 minutes. So let's dive into the video. Hope you guys are safe, hope you guys are okay. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to be basically all the products I'm going to be using are here on this table. So in my primer, I'm so sorry guys for the light. You know, I'm using my phone camera, so the light will be going off and on like that, and I'll be looking down often, so please bear with me, okay? So I'm just using my primer. You know, you kind of use your primer so that your makeup will last a whole day. I'm just going to go ahead to brush out my brows to get it ready for eye pencil. And I'm going to be using my eye pencil. I kind of always have problem drawing my brows correctly, accurately. I mean the two brows accurately. I normally have problems. One will be finer than the other, Nisha. Like every time I have that problem, and sometimes I draw wrongly, and when I'm highlighting I kind of get it right, but one is always finer than each other. Remember, your eyebrows are not twin sisters, they are just sisters, they are not twin, so they are allowed to look different. They are not identical twin, they are allowed to look different. So I'm just going ahead to do the second one. The second one is the most ugliest. Like I didn't get it right at all, but the first one I got it right. But the second one, even the shaping, the carving was not really looking nice. But let's continue, let's see the outcome of it, okay? Using my angled brush, sorry. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my foundation from my concealer from the palette to put it at the back of my hand so that it will be very easy for me to do the highlighting. So I'm just going to be highlighting the brows to make it finer and to make it more like look like, you know, now. So that's what I'm going to try to be doing here for the two eyes. So I'm going to be doing that, and you want to use a darker shade color for your upper eyes so that when you are blending it will blend easily. So I use a darker shade for the upper part. Then for the down part, you can use a color lighter than your color, or you use your color for the down part to highlight the down part, okay? So let's continue. crazy. My eyebrow is always my problem. Okay, so basically, because I was in a hurry, I didn't really take note of the bruise very well. I was just in a hurry to just meet up the time. But if I were to be going out, I would definitely take note of it. But I didn't really take note of it, not until I finished the makeup. So now I'm just going to be applying my foundation, basically. So I'm going to be using that brush, and I'm going to be blending it out. Okay, so you want to blend it out, in, out, not out, in, out, like that. So I'm going to be blending it out. Basically, that's what I'm going to, what am I saying? Basically like so that's what I'm going to be doing now. Guys, can you notice making up, like, looking good is a good business? What? Your babe is changing. Like, see that fine smooth face. Like, in how many minutes now I've started changing? Maybe all cool. I'm just so edited and I'm laughing at myself right now looking at the video. So now I'm going to be like contouring with my contour, and you want to use a lighter shade for that part, because we always want the, what's the name of this place called, we always want this place to look lighter, right? So I'm just going to be applying my contour. Yeah, you don't want to use much because you know you're rushing out, and just 15 minutes, so that it will be easy to blend. So I'm going to be blending it out with my blender. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. You want to blend easily and smoothly so that it will not smear. So you have to go gently and spread it everywhere, like make it even, not just or you just swap that blender, the beauty blender. Okay, so that's just what, basically that's what I'm just doing. I'm just going to blend it and make it look even. Blending can so much take time because you really want it to soak in very well. You don't want it to look smear, so you want to like blend it in very well. So that's why I'm really taking my time, and it's already 7 minutes 20 something seconds. So I just hope I actually met up. So we are done with blending. So I'm going to be setting my face with my Ben High banana powder setting powder. So I brought this powder from Nigeria. I'm using color clay 1. So I'm going to be just using it to set my face, bake my face, because the baking powder. So I'm going to be baking my face with my eye, the eyeshadow area, just to set it. And yeah, guys, watching this video now, I'm so feeling ashamed. Like, is this me? Did I just do this? Like, seriously, I'm so ashamed of myself. But so I'm going to be blending the eyeshadow area out, because I'm going to be using my eyeshadow now. Remember, we are doing the natural look makeup, natural look, nothing serious, nothing too heavy, right? So I'm just going to be using that kind of pink color to lay the foundation of my face, and I'm using a brown color now, a brown color to just, so I'm going to be using a brown color, like a very natural color for that side, just to blend it out and not to make it look pinkish. applying my kajal. I love kajal a lot. I don't know how to use eyeliner. I still have problem using eyeliner, so I still use kajal. Yeah, so if you still use kajal, let me know in the comment section. If you don't know what kajal is this natural eyeliner that we use in those days, like in those olden days. Me, I still have it. So I'm just going to be contouring my face and just to make it set, you know. So I'm going to be contouring my face now. I'm waving the front of my face because of the lights, right? I'm so sorry, guys. So I'm using a darker shade contour for that part, a very dark shade. So I'm just using it to contour my nose. Thank God I did that, because I actually basically forgot that at the end of the day. So I'm just going to be using the same darker shade for all those places. Then I'm going to go with the normal color of my face, that's my powder now, just to set it with my powder round. So you will want to like do it with your ears, your front, your okmo, how do they call that place, your forehead and your neck. You want to take it down to your neck too, because you don't want your face to look fine and your neck will not be having two color, your forehead will be having another color, and your ear area will be having another color. So you have to take it down there. Okay, now who says I can't achieve a glam look in 15 minutes? Like, I'm already looking ready to go take home to mama now. You know, in a hurry. Like, I just don't know what I'm doing again. I just want to finish. Like, I was just checking the time, it was 11 minutes already, and I was just like doing anything. I'm not even seeing the bronzer I'm applying. Like, guys, are you seeing it? Because me, I'm not seeing anything. So I'm just going to be putting it at the, okay, I'm going to be applying my, so now I'm going to be applying my blush contour at the sheen part. And yeah, so I'm just going to be doing my lips now. Basically, you know now, I use lip balm. I don't use lipstick. It's only when I'm doing like a full glam makeup I use lipstick. But now I'm just going to be going with my lip balm. So, and I'm going to be blending that pencil I drew on that. Yeah, I'm going to be blending it out with the bottom of my high pencil. So basically that's all. Bronzer for my nose. So I'm going to be brushing my eyelashes now. I don't fix lashes. I've never fixed a lash before. I don't use mascara because of my eyes, so it won't enter my eyes. So the only thing I just do is just to brush out. I have a very long lashes, so kind of save my hair. So I just brushed it out, and I'm just going to be using my setting. Okay, I just said let me do some finishing touch, you know. Finishing touch. So I'm done with my makeup, and now we're already like 30 minutes, and I'm just going to be using my setting spray. I don't know, I kind of use too much, like Jesus. So am I looking like this? And who says you cannot achieve a glam everyday look simple makeup in 15 minutes? Yes, I did it. 15 minutes. I even used less than 15 minutes. So guys, remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you like the video. Remember to click the subscribe button, and remember to click that bell beside the subscribe button to be the first person to get notification anytime I upload a video. I want you guys to look at this face very well and let me know the mistake I made on this video, on this face. Let me know at the comment section. Thank you guys. I love you so guys, much. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. To give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to click the subscribe button and drop your comment at the comment section if you want more of my makeup routine. So this is like a 15-minute makeup routine, makeup challenge. Okay guys, Wednesday, I'm challenging you to let us know your skills in 15 minutes. Nadel's channel, let's know your skills in 15 minutes.